Hello, Christian. Thanks for this opportunity to talk, since INBATEC really has some news to share. At the beginning of this year, you made an announcement. INBATEC and KUSTAN are now sister companies. What does it mean for each company, actually, for each of you?
Yeah, so first of all, I'm happy to be interviewed today from you, Maria. I hope all is fine from your side. About our two companies, the original idea was after we getting together, we first keep all related processes internally the same, yeah, because we were having a quite high economical situation, a strong economy. Everyone had a lot of projects to do. And so to keep, let's say, processes to coming together first slow, not to accelerate too much. And of course, with the idea behind that we first bring all the people inside INBATEC and KUSTAN on a common way. Yeah, and this starts, of course, in the people minds. So, first to bring the idea into their heads and then start, a way together with also taking all the people into this way.
What does INBATEC KUSTAN synergy mean to the customer, and how can they benefit from your collaboration, your customers, I mean?
Yeah, first of all, both companies and their people bring a lot of ideas and experience and skills into the group of companies. So customers can expect a lot more process innovation and engineering excellence in the future of our group. So by putting these two companies together, we feel also stronger together for bigger, greater projects. So we are in total a company with a size now, or a group of companies with a size now of roughly 160 people. And of course, this gives us the strength of being prepared for bigger projects, right? So benefits for our customers. We did already a cooperation before we were getting together. So we had one process, the gel mixing process on the KUSTAN side, and the gel circulation process on the INBATEC side. And we were combining it to a integrated process using technology that was invented by INBATEC's company. And so it's a cooperation of 3 companies, by the way. But this was a first sign or also proof that cooperation went excellent and very, very well.
You mentioned gel mixing system. So is it your new equipment or process that you provide to the market?
Yes, this is a process which is proven meantime in a couple of applications at customer sites. So we can say with a first stage of development a couple of years ago, now it's well running. And so we feel that the demand in the market is quite high for this kind of product because gel technology inside lead-acid batteries is one of the future targets for lead-acid battery manufacturers, or also for the markets, the related markets.
For industrial application.
Right. Industrial applications means there are a couple of 2-volt products, but also block battery applications, 6-volt, 8-volt, 12-volt.
And how did you come to this decision to unite the knowledge and expertise of both companies? It must be not that easy to establish a new alliance and start new projects in this pandemic reality.
Yeah, of course. Originally, the idea was to form a bigger and stronger group. Yeah, because today you can grow by nature, by your own company, employing more people, etc. But of course, it's much faster if you bring two skilled companies and brands together. Yeah, so this makes it possible to have this growth in a faster way. And this was a great opportunity that the former owners of KUSTAN wanted to sell their business. So of course, when the COVID-19 virus came up, it was firstly a shock for us because bringing two companies together, you first feel that it's not a good environment. But later we found, okay, when really our business slows down a little bit, that we have, let's say, free resources for accelerating this process of getting together. And I think we are in the middle of this process right now. So it's changed a little bit the strategy. First, we wanted to have this process slow, but now we accelerate, and yeah, definitely makes sense.
As far as I understand, you are still two separate companies with KUSTAN, correct? But what are your plans for the future, and what is the further strategy?
Yeah, with the two companies, we have two well-known brands, right? So INBATEC as well as KUSTAN are well-known brands in the lead-acid battery industry. We cannot change this fast and dramatically. Just put another name for the group and say, okay, now we are this company, and INBATEC and KUSTAN are not existing anymore. So our strategy is first to use these two brands and more interlink the two companies than to merge them. So both of our companies have a certain history, and this we always have to respect and keep in mind, and cannot delete this from the minds of our people. We want to be strong together, but the next years we will keep the way that we are separate companies, but working more and more close together.
So you're writing your new history right now, we can say so. I can only wish your new collaboration to grow and much success to this new synergy.
Thanks very much for this interview, and yeah, I hope everybody who watch this video later on is able to keep safe and to get well through this pandemic, and yeah, that we will be able soon to meet each other again more personally than by videos, right?
But meantime, we are meeting everyone here at LBC platform in an online mode. Yeah,
Yes.
Anyway, it's a great opportunity to try something new, and we hope to see everyone in person, as you say, in the nearest future.